Aside from being able to create YouTube thumbnails, intro and outro videos, mockups, and more, another great feature of Canva is their ability to remove backgrounds from many images. No more do you need to purchase expensive software to be able to remove a background from your photos. Canva allows you to do just that. In part 4 of our Canva series, we're going to remove the backgrounds of 4 images. Some have a basic white background and others are a bit more complex. We'll also edit our images by adding some shadow to make it stand out in our projects. With Canva, it's all as easy as clicking a button. So if you're ready to get started, let's begin. Okay, everyone, to begin removing the backgrounds of the images, let's start off by uploading some of our images. So let's start doing some uploads. We're going to click on the upload button on the top right hand corner. I've selected 4 images here of Lamborghinis. Pretty cool. So I am going to upload them. You're going to notice that some of them have backgrounds to it and others are just have a white background. Now the goal here is to just cut out all the background and just have the Lamborghini and then use the image of the Lamborghini alone on any background that we want. Now keep in mind, sometimes it's easier said than done to remove the backgrounds, but Canva has done a really good job at removing the backgrounds with this new feature. So we're gonna start off. Let's start off with an easy one with this white one here, the one with the white image. So we're gonna go to Home, and actually no. Well, let's start off with a project. Create a design. Top right hand, you should know by now. Again, let's just use a thumbnail. Okay. So once that loads, we're gonna go to our uploads. And let's select the yellow Lamborghini. So we're going to click on it. I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger. Now, keep in mind that this feature is only available for the Pro version. So if you don't have the Pro version, you're not going to be able to remove the background. So now, if I put this, the yellow Lamborghini, the orange Lamborghini on with this white background, you're gonna be like, well, you really don't need to do that. But let's just say, for the sake of, just for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to have a different color background, right? So, you don't want it to look like that because it looks terrible. So we're going to remove the background here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on Edit. We're gonna click on Background Remover. Now, if you don't have the Pro version, it's gonna give you is going to let you sign up for the free 30-day trial version. So you could pay the yearly or you could pay the monthly. Let's click on Next. 30-day free trial. Now you're going to be able to invite people if you want, and you get some, I guess you get rewards or let's see, teams of up to 5 people. I know there's some sort of reward program if the more people you invite, but let's skip that later. Let's click on maybe later. Then it's gonna ask you, what would you like to do with Canva Pro? Let's just put social media content. Let's just select that. I should have select personal project, but then it's gonna ask you to welcome to the Canva program. Canva Pro. And then it's just going to give you a quick glimpse of, what you can do with Canva Pro. Let's just click on Not Right Now. So right now you have Canva Pro and you have the 30-day free trial, which is awesome. So now you have 30 days to either come up with $120 to pay for the year or 30 days to come up with $13 to pay it monthly. So once we have that, you can rename it Lambo. And then we're going to click on the image. Then we're going to select on Edit Image. We're going to click on Background Remover. And then it's going to do its work. And then voila, there we have it. The background has been has been removed completely. The only thing is now you notice that it removed the shadow, but that's okay because you could always add shadow to this. So what I like to do at this point is I like to crop it. I want to remove this excess, this additional space here. So I'm just gonna crop it. Make it so like this. Okay, that looks good. Alrighty then. And we're done. So then we have our yellow, our orange. Why I keep saying yellow? We have our orange Lamborghini. So now let's add some shadow to this. So we're gonna click on image. We're gonna scroll down to shadows. We could do a drop down shadow. We could add that. If you want to add different types of shadow, we could just click on the see all, and you could remove it, add a backdrop. Excuse me. We could add a page lift. Oh, this looks pretty cool. I like this one. You know what? I'm gonna keep this one. I'm gonna keep this page lift. Okay, and so that has a page lift for the. So now that was an easy one because it had a white background. Let's try removing the background on one of the Lambos that's like in front of let's say this one right here. Actually, no, this one. This one's looks like a little bit more difficult because it actually has some black behind in the background, and the Lamborghini is actually black. So let's remove this one. Okay, I'm gonna place it here. I'm going to click on the image, select image, background mover. Then it's going to do its thing. Oh, perfect. Now, if you don't want to remove the background, you could always go back to restore or erase. But it came out, like this, the Canva's background remover is like pretty accurate. I've yet to come up with an issue that I had to start over. So it's pretty good. Even when I'm removing background from my profile pics, it comes out great. So I'm gonna remove the extra white space behind it. First of all, let's just apply it. Let's crop it. We'll add some shadow in a minute. I'm gonna remove it. Great. Done. Then we're gonna not crop, excuse me. Add an image, shadow. Let me see. Nope. Let's see angle. How does that look? Nah. Curved. That looks pretty cool. Page lift. I'm just going through every single one of them to see how they look. Glow. Nah. Actually, glow doesn't look too bad. Yeah, let's use glow. Okay, and we're gonna add this to the corner. All right, let's do one more. The white one is, again, the Lambo with the white background, or any image with the white background, is very easy to do. So let's use this one, the green Lambo with the bluish gray background. And see how this comes out. And this one's going to be a little, not tricky, but I'm curious to see how it's going to come out because it has the doors open. So let's click on the image, edit image, background remover. Let Canva do its thing. I notice this one's taking a little bit longer than usual. And oh, there you go. Came out perfect. This one, let's see. Let's remove. Let's actually hit apply first. Let's crop it a little. Just remove the extra space on the side here. Perfect, done. Let me shrink it a bit if it could fit. Okay. Let's add some shadows to it. Let me see. Page list. After this. Oh yeah, I like the page list. Let's do that. Okay. So that looks good. So, yeah, you know what? For the fun of it, let's just work on this one also. This one should be easy. So, you should know how to do this by now. It's very simple. Click on the image, edit image, background remover. Canva, do your thing. Perfect. We click apply. Then we're going to crop it. You don't have to crop it, but I just like to remove the excess space around the image. Okay, we're done. Let's shrink it up a little bit. Okay, let's add some some shadows to it. Yeah, that one's fine. And we're all set. I hope you got some value from this tutorial. If you're interested in learning more about using tools for design such as Canva and their background remover, hit that like and subscribe button. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell for updates on my videos, tutorials, and insights on the world of creative design. Until next time, everybody.